Okay, we're going to do an unboxing of a new watch that I found online, and it is a Seiko Chronograph men's watch. The model number is, let's see here, SNDC47P1, and I found it on one of the watch sites that I go through every now and then, and I keep my eyes on them just in case there's a deal like this, and this was one of those deals that you just can't pass up. So let me go ahead and open it, and let's take a look at it. Now, printed out some specs, and I'll read them off to you after I get this open. Bubble wrap, and then this will be my receipt. Let's see here. Yeah. Okay. And here we go. Here's the watch itself. Let me get rid of the box. And alright, let's take this cover off. It's just a cardboard cover. Okay, there we go. Nothing special about the box. Standard plastic Seiko box that I suppose you'd find at, you know, that sucks. Probably find it like Sam's or Dillard's or Macy's, wherever you buy, you know, watches from. Let's see. There we go. It's not too bad. Good. I'm glad they put that on top of it, because as you can tell, it is shifted around a lot. Okay. Let's see here. Here's the watch itself. And let's see how good of a shot I can get. My camera does not autofocus, so I apologize if that's a crappy shot of it. But this is the Seiko Chronograph men's watch, model number SNDC47P1. Says the list price is $395. Good Lord. And case material, brushed and polished solid Silvertone stainless steel case and screw down back. Let's take a look at that back. Yeah. And this is a fairly uncommon watch for me to buy. I usually buy automatics or solar powered ones, but I really liked the jet black look of it. It was really sharp looking. Movement, it says, is Seiko Japanese Quartz chronograph movement. The crystal is scratch and impact resistant Hardlex crystal. Interesting. I've never, well, no, I think Seikos do. I don't know, anybody out there that is aficionado on watches, let me know, but I didn't think Seiko used the Hardlex. In any case, bezel is black Ionic plated, which I guess kind of gives that gunmetal look to it and that sheen. Solid stainless steel bezel. I don't know how well you can see it underneath it. And Silvertone markers. And then inner bezel is the same Ionic plated. Interesting. Maybe it's the reflection off the glass, but I really can't tell. Yeah, let's see what else. chronograph, subdials measuring 1/20th second, 12 hours plus 60 seconds and 60 minutes. Oh, there it is. Okay. 60 seconds and 60 minutes. Interesting. Okay. It is just a date complication. I haven't found one that I like that has a date, but I'm still looking. Let's see what else interesting. Let's see. Nope, no, nothing else. It says here that the bracelet is brushed and polished, solid Silvertone, stainless steel, triple link, 20 millimeters wide, 8 3/4 inches long. Interesting. Let's take a look at the clasp. Okay. Looks like it's a standard, just fold over clasp. Yeah. Nothing too fancy about it. Do your adjustments. Let's see on the bracelet itself. Yeah. Looks like they are clasp style. Where you pull these off. I do have to say I'm very, very displeased with the bracelet. It does feel cheap, and it certainly doesn't have any weight to it. And you know, I'm comparing it to my Invicta watch, which has a really heavy, substantial bracelet. But you know, it's okay. If it gets too annoying, I guess I could always replace it. But you know, for the price I paid for it, I like the look of it. It is an interesting looking watch. Also says here, water resistant up to 100 meters, 330 feet, 10 atmospheres. Warranty is 3-year limited, manufacturer's warranty by Seiko. But I don't expect anything to go wrong with it. Usually this one I won't use as a daily wear like I do my Invicta, but you know, probably just every now and then. Let's get these plastic pieces off. Let's see what this little tag says. Probably just a SKU, yeah, reference number. And then it's serial number or item number. Alright, well there you go. Yeah, pretty happy with it. It not returnable if seal is removed. Alright. Cut that guy off. Okay, let's take a look at the box real quick. I don't think there's any, no, just your standard Seiko box with the embossed logo. Feels like it's cardboard. Yeah. Yeah, nothing too crazy. Okay, well there you go. Just thought I'd share with everybody, just in case you're thinking about buying one of these. Overall, not too bad. I don't know if I mentioned it, but the case dimensions are 42 millimeters wide and high, and then 11 millimeters thick. So not too bad. I mean, the watch itself, the piece, you can feel the weight, but this bracelet isn't a lot. Leaves a lot to be desired. But overall, I bought it because I like the look of it, And I don't have a Seiko chronograph. I just have a kinetic. So I thought, you know what the heck, I like the look of it. Gives me a Seiko chronograph, and the price was just right. Just one of those things you can't pass up. But you know, hope this helps anybody that's thinking about buying it. You know what it's like, what it looks like when you take it out of the box, and you know somebody's opinion on the bracelet and the clasp. I mean that's a pretty standard Seiko clasp, especially on these watch models. But you know, the bracelet I'm not too happy with. In any case, love the watch, love the way it looks, and hope this helps somebody if you're looking at buying one of these and you want to see what it looked like being unboxed and what to expect. One thing I did want to mention, just in case you know somebody wasn't aware of it, and you know what, I wasn't either years ago when I first bought my Seiko, and it came in a box similar to this. When you open it up, you'll notice that there is no instruction book and no way to pull this portion out. But if you look, I'll go ahead and take this watch out. If you notice on the bottom of it, more than likely you'll have a little slide like this, and you'll notice instruction book back there. If you don't have one of these, probably what will happen is your instruction books will be stuck back up in here in the top portion of your case. But what you do is you just slide it out, and this little hidden compartment back here in the back of the case slides out, and then you have a place where you can push your thumb and pull out all your materials. You know, most of this has warranty information, your instructions and whatnot. Yeah, I believe this is the warranty card with the model number and SKU and everything. But just in case somebody out there was like, you know what, I didn't get one. You more than likely did. Just look in the bottom of your watch box, and you should see one of these guys. And all you have to do is just slide it out, and you can push your instruction books out. But there you go. I just thought, I didn't even think about it when I did the unboxing, but sat down and my daughter asked me where the books were, and I showed her. But it took me forever and a day to look at on the bottom of my new one years ago, and I saw that. But hopefully it helps somebody. In any case, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, guys.